Hi guys. Oh god, I've got the sun already. Oh dear. We're actually in our room. We're checking it out. And yeah, it's an interesting room, I can tell you that one. Let's give you the tour. Straight off, lovely hallway with mirror. Nice. Come through here, you have another mirror, two mirrors. This is the bathroom. You know, nice and clean. Two drawers. The freebies from Red Lane. That's their spa they have. Big mirror. And then in here we have a closet. We have the safe, ropes, ironing board, oh, and the irons up there, and extra pillows in case we need them, and a selection of hangers. I think Kelly will take most of them up, to be fair. Maybe we won't tell her. And then in here we have toilet. Nice picture on the wall. Little towel area. The rack. And then behind the door is a shower. Quite a nice shower. Another rainfall. Interesting shelving. Yeah. Looks interesting. You know. For a shower. The door's got hooks on the back as well. Frosted glass, quite nice. Back out we go. Very nice and airy. Oh, here I am again. Hello! There we go to the main part. Oh, wait, no, hang on. Got tea and coffee. And then the bar. Yes, it comes fully stocked with wine. Oh, big Jamaican gold rum. That's massive. Oh, what's this one? Gin. Oh, gin. Gosh, and vodka. And then a selection of coffees. Interesting. Not sure what the blum is. Oh, Jamaican coffee. Okay. Here's Jamaican coffee. Looks like an interesting coffee pot. Oh, it's got instructions on the top. Oh, looks a bit complicated. Oh well, let's see about that one. Ice bucket, no ice. Underneath we have the fridge, stocked with cans of soft drinks, white wine, water, looks like beers. Yeah, cool. Won't go thirsty, that's for sure. And then pan out, come through, and here we have the pièce de résistance. A beautiful 4-poster bed. Wowzers, it's massive. I like this so we can sit down and put our shoes on, put our knit shoes underneath it. Obviously all the luggage. I like the lamps as well. They've got USBs in them, which is quite nice. And there's one on the other side. Nice little writing desk there. Beautiful lamp there. Nice sofa demonstrated by the lovely Kelly on how to relax. Beautiful, massive, great big coffee table, of course. Nice picture of beach huts, you know. And then you've got the coffee area. Nice two-seater, which is quite nice. Last night's was only a one-seater, which is not good. That's chest of drawers with a beautiful massive TV again. Yes, look at that with TV. So yeah, it's a massive resort. I mean, resort?
Get the balcony.
Room. Massive room, not resort. Well, it's quite a big resort, to be fair. But yes. Nice little wicker area. And yes, we have actually got a balcony. Hadn't forgotten. You have to come through the curtain. Into the sun area. Have to so I could do it with that guy. Come on, up, 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 and away. Just sliding doors onto beautiful outdoor seating area overlooking paradise, is what I can call it. Yep, Bling in paradise. In case you forget where we are, Sandals. So yeah, this will conclude the room tour. And we've got more artwork to finish up on.